Hello Snappers! Today we're going to show you how to create an event. First, tap Create My First 360 Event, or Create Event. Add the event name, the event date, and the description. This one is optional. You can also add a thumbnail if you want to easily identify your events. Now let's move to step 2, where you can set the style of the event. Select the video format, vertical or square. Choose the camera lens. Set up the recording time. Select one of the video speed options or personalize it to adjust the speed at different moments. Add the countdown duration. Choose if you want flash during recording or enable the boomerang effect. Now let's go to step 3. Here you can personalize your event by adding a start image, an end image, and a video frame. With the video frame option, you can create your own frame by adding text and images. If you use this option, remember to tap Use Video Frame. If you already have a frame, you can import it from your gallery or files. Please note that the background must be fully transparent and the file should be in PNG format. You also have the option to generate an AI frame. It's very easy to use. Just describe what you need and it will be generated in seconds. You can also add additional personalization to this option. This feature works with credits. With Pro plans, you get around 5 credits per month, and with Diamond Pro, you get around 50 credits per month. Or if you prefer, you can choose one of the pre-designed frames. You can also add text and personalize it. Whichever option you choose, remember to tap Use Video Frame. Now that your frame is ready, you can add music. The music must be in MP3 format, and the duration should be around 30 seconds. Once you add the music, you can choose the best part of the track by tapping here and adjusting the section you want. Tip: you can add up to 3 music tracks and adjust them if you want. Now that everything is ready, you can create your event. Once the event is created, you're ready to start recording your videos. So, what do you think? Snap360 has everything you need to make your events easy and fully adaptable to your needs. If you'd like to see more tutorials, or if you have ideas for new features that could make your events even better, let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you later, Snappers.